Hello, data analysis students. Congratulations on completing your first group assignment. Overall, you guys did a wonderful job on your first assignment and you worked very well together. I'm going to give you a little bit of information to help you with the next unit assignment. What I want you to do is, please, first of all, make sure that you are reading the unit notes that I provide. You'll get a lot of information on there that can help you with these assignments. But let me do a little explaining of what is required for the next group assignment. What you're going to do is you need to obtain the ages of 5 individuals in your profession. Again, if you're not currently working in a profession, make sure you obtain the ages from a profession you plan to work in. Okay? So you need to obtain ages of 5 individuals from your profession plus your own age. Then you submit those numbers to the team leader. Speaking of team leaders, if you had someone in your group that did not participate on the last assignment, email them, and if they're supposed to be the team leader, email them and say, hey, you're supposed to be the team leader. Are you going to participate? And if they don't respond, then you need to move down to the next person in line and they will become the team leader for this week. So do that fairly quickly so that you guys can start working on this assignment. So again, for this assignment, the first step for each group member is to obtain the ages of 5 individuals from your profession plus your own age, and you're going to submit that to the team leader. To submit it, make sure to post your ages to the discussion board. You're going to move down on the discussion board to the next unit assignment post, okay, on D2L. So if you are a nursing major, then you need to find ages of 5 nurses. Ask the ages of nurses at your clinical site or your professors, family members, or friends that are nurses, etc. If you're a respiratory therapist, you need to obtain the ages of 5 respiratory therapists and then include your own age. What will happen once everyone submits their numbers, the team leader will compile the data set, and this is the data set that each of you will use for the assignment, okay? So most groups are, there are 5 people in the group, so you should have a total of 30 numbers that you're working with. So the team leader will combine all the numbers together and post that and distribute it to the other group members. If you do have a smaller group, such as like 4 members, then obviously your data set's going to be smaller and you would only have 24 numbers in your data set. So then after you guys get your data set, each group member is going to calculate and determine the mean, the median, the mode, the range, the variance, and the standard deviation. Make sure when you're doing this that you use the group data set that was sent to you by your team leader or posted on the discussion board by your team leader. I require that you use Excel for your calculations. I want to see your work for each individual. I want to see that you actually did these calculations in Excel. So once you have finished your calculations, then you need to submit your results back to the team leader on the discussion board. And then what will happen is each group member will have done their own work with the same data set, and the group leader is going to take each individual's work and compile it and put it on the group document form. Once that's compiled and you guys are done with the assignment, the team leader will post the assignment form to the discussion board for you guys to make edits. Now don't forget, as part of that, just like the last assignment, there will be a question that you have to answer, a group summary question. So what you're doing for that is you're comparing the mean age of your data set, your group data set, to the mean age of the 4 professions. So in order to find the mean age of the 4 professions, you have to do a little digging. You'll go down to the survey document folder located under Unit 3, and you will find surveys for respiratory, social work, nursing, and radiology. Each of the ages can be found on different pages, the mean ages for each profession. So like for respiratory, if you'll look down, I believe it's on page 7 on that survey. Social work, page 11, nursing, page 12, and radiology, page 13. So you're going to use the data you found from doing your calculations and compare the mean age to the mean age of each of those 4 professions. So then you're going to address the following questions. Are the means similar? What does the mean age of healthcare workforce imply for both healthcare in general? And then the group needs to actually discuss these questions and work together to come up with the final group summary. Everyone must participate in the group discussion question. If you don't, I will dock you individual points for not participating and helping with the group question. So again, once everything is done, the team leader will compile the information, show individual work from each individual and how they contributed to the group discussion. I do want to see actual copy and paste copies of your Excel work for each individual. So copy and paste their Excel work and put it into the Word document and put it all together. And then once that's completed and everyone's had an opportunity to edit the document, the team leader will submit the final document to D2L. So I should get 1 document from each group in the D2L assignment Dropbox. So that being said, you can see you have quite a bit of work to do. There's several parts and it takes some time, so get started on it now. Don't wait till the last minute. Team leaders, give your group reasonable deadlines, and you guys stay on top of things and try to get this turned in. I know they're going to be great, and I'm looking forward to seeing your submission for this assignment. Thanks. Have a good day.